So, sir, first of all, welcome. This is what we have made a trigonometric applications, and in this we have also used some concepts of reflection and refraction. So here, whenever we touch this laser through this angle, like 1030, it will directly go on this mirror. It is a concave mirror, and this concave mirror, as we know, this is a converging mirror. Very good focus. So here, it will focus this on this concave. This is also a concave mirror. Like, it is a very high power converging, so it is very beneficial for us to converge this again, the focus on this helicopter. So this is what we are actually doing here. Through this we can, like, we want to show, like, students used to change their stream just because of trigonometry. Trigonometry is very hard. They used to choose bio or commerce, whatever, not math, just because of trigonometry, because they think that trigonometry is very hard. But whenever it comes to real life, it is very fun. Like, we can also find the height, distance, whatever, of a tall building, of even a Mount Everest. We can also find the velocity, displacement of a submarine. It is very useful in Indian Navy. We can also, and even though we can also find the aircraft speed, displacement, velocity, whatever we want. So here we want to actually show that reflection, refraction and trigonometry is a very fun concept if we apply in real life. Thank you, sir. So do you have any query?
Can you show me how that is reflect?
Can you please hold this?
Yeah, very good.